If I had wings. I sometimes close my eyes and imagine I have big, beautiful wings. I wonder, what if I could fly just like a bird? If I had wings, I would leap into the air and soar high, high above the tallest trees. The wind would whisper secrets in my ears as I flew. I would land on the highest rooftops and look down at the world below. I wouldn't be scared of falling, not one bit. Flying over my town, I would see so many amazing things. I would wave to the people in the streets and watch the cars that look like little bugs. I would feel so free, with no roads or signs to follow. I could go anywhere I wanted, just by flapping my wings. I would start my adventure in my own backyard, flying over my house and then over the whole town. When I got tired, I would find a soft, grassy field and take a little nap under the warm sun. I would follow the shiny rivers as they twist and turn, all the way to the big, blue ocean. I would fly over the park and call out, "Hello!" to the children playing on the swings and slides. I would dip and dive, playing games with the wind. I would soar up high and then swoop down low, almost touching the tops of the trees.